It's me Razel and welcome back over to Razel the Barbie. And in this video I am so excited because we are unboxing Barbie. Singing and dancing doll. I love this doll very much because when I was 5 years old, in past I bought one of that, and I really love that doll, but it's broke now, so I bought one more, and I think I'll show you guys that how it looks. So let's start unboxing this. I am so excited to unbox this. So let's take our knife and unbox this. Wow, it's in the box. You guys see? Wow. Let's take it out of the box. Wow, she's looking so pretty. See her, guys. You can also use her as a showpiece, but you can also play with her. See, she comes with blonde hair, like a purple like bow on her head. Yeah. A pretty hairstyle, red lipstick, opening and closing eyes. When you tap her, she closes her eyes on her own, and she's movable to her arm and her second arm, and she really walks by herself. She really sings by herself. She has these earrings, and when you on her, her earring light up. And she really blinks her eyes and moves her hands. So let's start her. Okay. She has no legs because she has to walk her own, so she has no legs. But I like her. See, she's singing a song. She looks so pretty. Come here, come here. Let's stop. Let's off her. Okay. You guys see? She is really cute doll, and I love her very much. And you see that how she is walking on her own. I am like setting her because I'm so excited to unbox her because I love these dolls, and I do not want that they broke. So, and second time that I buy her, so she broke because of this way. Because when I was like she's walking, so she fell down, and so I am like doing her like that. So I hope that you do not mind. Yeah. So see the box. It's look like in princess room, but it's not. And you can also use it as her closet or Barbie's closet. I can tell you how to make this box closet or how to make this box room in my next video to recycle this. And see, these are the informations. You guys see? Yeah. So here is this one. In this side of box, you can see like pink dress also, because there is not only like this purple dress. There are so many colors like dress doll, and this is red ones, this is yellow ones, this is the second red ones with dots on her, and like wearing a necklace, and this is the purple dot ones, and this is the big one. And I think it was we can buy her castle also. I think that. I can't even see that one, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, so please do not forget to give my video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.